I'm pretty sure you know that it's high time that we claimed our tokens. Mining of GOTS ended some 2 days ago. So now you can head on to the GOTS Telegram bot and check on the tokens that you've been awarded. So they're saying TGE and GOTS will be on the 3rd. Okay, TGE. And then you can either stake your tokens as you await TGE. In most cases, after staking your coins and then it happens to be listed, there's always an option for you to unstake those coins. Now, I know it's one thing that you can easily do, especially if you've been mining for quite some time. If you haven't, it's just a matter of clicking there and then you stake your coins. Now, how about withdrawal? In most cases, people struggle with withdrawal of tokens. Let's see how we go about this. We hit withdraw and then we check on the available options. So we can withdraw our tokens to KuCoin, Bitget, Get.io, and then there's that other one, CoinW, and then there's Hopium. So at least Get.io as well as Bitget, these are there on my phone. So I can either use Bitget or I use Get.io. So I will use Get.io. Let me try to use this one, Bitget. The last time I used Bitget, I struggled a little bit in that I never had ton in Bitget, and I was required to organize some ton from elsewhere. That's how I managed to withdraw whatever I had in there. Anyway, I'll try to use Get.io or Bitget. Let me go by Bitget. So you click there and then they ask, do you have Bitget account? You simply go by yes if you have it installed on your phone. If you don't have it, you can go by the second option, which reads no, let's create one. So I'm gonna go by the first option, and they're saying withdrawing 276. Okay, so there are those percentages, as you can check at the bottom. So if you withdraw 25%, according to what I have, I will have 276. So I will go by the maximum and hit 100%. That's 1107. Okay, so here I will need to copy the UID from my Bitget. I need to go to Bitget and then copy the UID as well as the address. So let me do this. Let me open Bitget. Okay, so this is Bitget and it's open. So what I'll do is I will click in the top left corner there. Okay, so they're saying I have to log in. Let me punch in the credentials here. All right, so now I'm logged in, and as you can check on top there, it reads I've been verified. So what I'll do is I'll need to copy that UID, the one which is just on the right of the avatar. I will click the arrow there. Okay, and then copy the UID here. And then head back to the bot. All right, so I'm back. What I'll do is I'll simply click enter there, then click and hold, then paste the UID. Okay, so I've pasted in the UID. What I'll do now is head back to Bitget so that I go and copy the address. Okay, so I'm back. I'll need to click back here, and then what I'll need to do is I click deposit here, crypto, deposit crypto. So I need to search for the crypto currency that I want to deposit into Bitget. I need to know. So what cryptocurrency is that one? That's GOTS. So we need to search for GOTS by clicking in the top search bar. Okay, so there it is. It has popped up. So what I'll do is I'll simply click it, and then check out the network has already been selected for me. So all I need is to copy the address and then head back to GOTS bot and paste it in. Let's head back. So all I will need to do is to simply tap there where it says address, enter, tap and hold, and then paste, and then click withdraw, and boom, you start waiting on your coins.